To determine the match grade elevation, you can use a spot elevation. Pick the corridor surface in your drawing, then from the contextual menu, under Add Labels, select Spot Elevations. Following the command prompts, snap to the edge of the pavement at both ends of the corridor. The spot elevation is dynamic and will update if any edits are made to the main road corridor. To get greater precision on the spot elevation labels, you can perform a quick edit to the label style. From the Label contextual menu, select Edit Label Style, then select Edit Current Selection. In the Label Style Composer, on the Layout tab, click on the Contents field, then click the ellipsis button. In the Text Component Editor, select the current label format in the editor window. When selected, the current format settings will appear on the left. Change the precision as necessary. Then click the arrow to update the label. Click OK to close the text component editor. Click OK again to close the label style composer. Then click OK to apply your edit to the labels. After making your edit, the labels will immediately reflect the new precision value that was set. Save your drawing file. To create the design profile for the cul-de-sac, first create the surface profile. This will not only create the existing ground profile, but it can be used to establish the limits for the design profile. Select the cul-de-sac alignment, then from the contextual menu, select Profile. Select the existing ground, then click Add. To create the profile view, select Draw in Profile View. Select the profile style that you want to use, then click Create Profile View. Pick a location in your drawing file to place the profile view. To create the design profile, select Profile Creation Tools under the Profile Layout. Following the command prompts, select the cul-de-sac profile view from the drawing. Assign a proper name to the profile. Use the naming template to mirror the name of the parent alignment. Then add a suffix like FG to denote it as the finished grade profile. Click OK to save the naming template. Then click OK to again the design profile. Use a single tangent segment to create the cul-de-sac profile. Select Draw Tangents from the Layout tools. Then when prompted to specify the start point in the command line, snap to the start of the cul-de-sac's existing ground profile. When prompted to specify the endpoint, snap the opposite end of the existing ground profile. This establishes a precise start and end station value for the design profile. In preparation for the grading the design profile, adjust your views so you can see both the plan and profile on screen. This can be done using the view control tools above the drawing canvas. Select the viewport configuration to horizontal, then adjust the view so the plan graphics appear above the profile below. Having the labels readily visible in your drawing will help you set the profile elevations. To edit the design profile elevation, from the Profile contextual menu, select Edit Profile Geometry. On the Profile Layout tools, select Profile Grid View. This will open the panorama where you can view and edit the profile data. Click into the PVI elevation at the start of the design profile. A triangle marker will appear on this PVI in the drawing. Type the match grid from the south match grid elevation. Repeat the same step for the north match grid. Notice that when PVI is selected in the panorama, the triangle will remove to that PVI in the drawing. To address drainage in the cul-de-sac, you can add a low point. Select Insert PVI from the Profile Layout tools, then pick where you want to add a low point. To add the low point on the opposite side of the cul-de-sac, you can use the AutoCAD snaps to pick a midpoint on the design profile. After the new PVI has been added, use the panorama to set the elevation. You can set the elevation directly or use the grade in, grade out field to calculate the elevation from the adjacent PVI's elevation. When you are done grading the design profile, save your drawing file.